This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Almog. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths in a gated community, large screened-in patio with beautiful lake views, split floor plan, new updated kitchen. All laminated wood floors. Walk-in closet. Washer dryer, quick approval. Rent incorporated. Water, sewer and trash removal. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, sauna and barbecue picnic area. For more information, review the details below.